bansa, no, or even worldwide. Yung mga kabataan, they are in the business, no? Nagtutulak sila ng mga produkto, but sad to say, ang tinutulak nilang business, droga,
Yes.
no? They're pushing for drugs, illegal drugs, prohibited drugs, na hindi naman talaga nakakatulong sa katawan, nakakasama pa, no? Why don't they start joining this company? Katulad sa inyo, no, na you are selling something that is healthy, you're helping the poor farmers na kung saan itong mga raw materials nanggagaling. At in the long run, you're helping the economy of our country. No? So, I would encourage our viewers to follow your footsteps. No? And again, I'm so blessed na nagsama-sama tayo. Although, ang layo ng agwat ng edad natin, but in our conversation, I learned something. No, na kung ako siguro nung araw, I was given this opportunity na when I was in college, may ganito na mga produkto na pwedeng ibenta. Because during my time, during my college days, ang binibenta namin mga libro, encyclopedia. Wala pa namang mga wellness products talaga na. You're so lucky that these days, may company na gumagawa ng mga produkto that would promote a healthy lifestyle, no? At yun ang kailangan natin because we believe that health is wealth, no? Yes. We have to invest in our health. The energy drink that you mentioned earlier, no? I'm sure within the reach yan ng ordinaryong consumers, no? So, we encourage them to make use of Filipino products, health products like the one manufactured by Global Prime Innovation. And again, maraming salamat sa oras ninyo and keep up the good work and may God bless all of us. Thank you.